Replacement Windows Meridian, Idaho, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of window options available, including vinyl windows, double-hung windows, and custom windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window contractors in Meridian, Idaho, offer expert window installation services, ensuring that each window is installed with precision and care. Energy-efficient windows in Meridian are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Window efficiency in Meridian is a top priority for homeowners seeking to lower their utility bills and reduce their carbon footprint. Vinyl window installation in Meridian is a cost-effective solution for those seeking durable and low-maintenance window options. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an ideal choice for the varying climate conditions in Meridian, Idaho. Homeowners can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows without the hassle of frequent maintenance. Double-hung Replacement Windows Meridian ID offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential window services in Meridian. With a variety of styles and finishes available, double-hung windows can complement any home design. Custom windows in Meridian, Idaho provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique window solutions tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Whether it's a bay window installation in Meridian or a casement window design, custom windows offer endless possibilities for enhancing a home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Window repair services in Meridian are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of home windows. From window glass repair in Meridian ID to window frame installation, skilled window experts in Meridian, Idaho can address any issues that arise, ensuring that windows remain in optimal condition. Bay Replacement Windows Meridian adds a touch of elegance and charm to any home. These windows create a cozy nook for relaxation and offer expansive views of the surrounding landscape. Bay windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and interior design. Casement windows in Meridian, Idaho are known for their versatility and ease of operation. These windows open outward, providing excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Casement windows are a great option for those seeking window upgrades in Meridian, Idaho that combine style and functionality. Sliding windows in Meridian ID offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary home designs. These windows are easy to operate and provide ample natural light, making them a popular choice for window solutions in Meridian, Idaho. Sliding windows are ideal for areas with limited space, as they do not require additional room to open. Window contractors in Meridian, Idaho are dedicated to providing top-notch window services to homeowners. From window consultation in Meridian ID to window design services, these professionals offer comprehensive solutions to meet the diverse needs of their clients. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, window contractors in Meridian ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards.